Okay, I would like to show you how I do when I want to go some gravel riding and want a nice route. I don't have it planned, I just want to fix this the easiest way. So the way I do usually when I go camping, I go to campwild.org. In campwild.org you have over 3,700 different locations, so I will filter that because I want the bike as close as possible to the campsite. And this is wind shelters, but it's usually very nice to camp around wind shelters. We go down this one, so we just take this one, Finnsjön windskydd, super duper. Then you can click this one and it should copy, but I find it not working all the time, so I do it like this, copy. Then we want to make a nice road to this place, a nice track. Then I open the web router, DMD2 web router. It has some old stuff in there, we take that away. Then we want to find where we are now, and that's here. And then like the pen to make a route, we make the route. After that, the magnifying glass, and we hold the magnifying glass there and paste. And then we get in the coordinates to where we're heading. And now we can see it's not, we can't kind of navigate into the bush. So we just put the marker there. And if I now minimize this, you see the road it picked. Then we can click on this one, and this is off-road easy. And we can change on this one. Let's say we want just fastest way, we are really in a hurry, and then we can't see jack shit because it's and now you can see it's the fastest. So then we just go to off-road hard instead, and now you see it's much more. It's gonna take us 3 hours now. That's super duper, that's how we like it. I'll flip it back, it's easier for me. And we have off-road hard chosen there, happy days. Then we go to export, we give it a name and fun. I have no imagination. When you've done that, you see the file is downloaded, you click open, and it's associated already with my GPS. So you can see there is the route. You can go to the GPX file and find there is the GPX file. Just set another color to it. I don't know if it makes more sense, but it's cooler to ride red than magenta. So that's it. Now it's just a ride.